It has been said that generals don't die, they just fade away. But here we have a case of a general who did not wait to fade away. He crushed, died in office, and that's why as a nation we are gathered here to give him a proper send-off. I associate myself fully with what our brother Senator Ogolla is saying. Mr. President, this is a straightforward thing. We have heard that a team has been constituted to look into the circumstances under which General Ogolla fell. What Kenyans want, Mr. President, is simply to make it public, because then that will allay all these fears. And the matter of General Ogolla goes beyond our sister Eileen and our beautiful kids. It's a national thing, for the truth must come out. So I just want to ask my sister to come, and as she comes, I want to say, rest well, a man of great faith. Anybody who can read the Bible twice in a year can only be a committed Christian. And this brother here had a secret with his maker. Alikuwa na siri naye Mwokozi Yesu. And that's why he has done things in a very unique manner and asked to be laid to rest and cutting huge costs. And we have full confidence in our defense forces. Please be as neutral as General Ogolla was. So, erokamano enya.